Let me show you how to use Perplexity AI for business. If you're trying to come up with a business idea, it can be a tough task. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity as your brainstorming partner. Whether you're just trying to generate ideas for business or trying to do specific tasks within, you can use Perplexity with ease. Let's say you want to start a business, but you're not sure what to do. Instead of asking a vague question, give it some details about yourself. So give it some details like this so that Perplexity can suggest business ideas that you will love and that are of your interest. And this way, it can give you targeted and creative suggestions that you might not have thought of. Now, let's say if you found some of these ideas interesting, you can dig in deeper. So just pick a topic from the list and try to understand more about it. This way, you're not just getting an idea, you're getting a market research as well as an action plan. So this is just an example of how you can use Perplexity for your business. Other than this, if you're trying to do anything within your business, such as creating a marketing strategy or a sales pitch, you can use this AI for it as well. Just try to give in as detailed prompt as possible of the things that you're trying to look for. So that's basically the video about the way that you use Perplexity AI for business. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.